I'm Gerald Malacki, owner of Dustless Blasting. It's a mobile service. We go out to the customer. We get to get out and see different people, do different aspects. We do graffiti removal. We could do automotive blasting, taking the paint off the houses. We've done driveways. We've done cars, tow trucks. And everybody was very satisfied because it cleaned it up so nice. It saved them so much time and energy to do it themselves that it's just profitable for them. It's a family business. It's nice. We work together. You know, we all are striving to do better, to give people a good product and make everybody happy. We're going to try to do our best job for you and make sure that you are happy and satisfied.